Hey guys, so it can't really be extremely like loud, but I have I feel like I have a problem, you guys. Okay, so I've ordered a bunch of stuff lately, like Ulta, Urban Decay, Old Navy, Lorella. I got some pharmacy stuff in there. I got a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to try to do a couple lives on here. The first unboxing that I'm going to do is Ulta and one thing of Urban Decay. So please make sure that you guys do like this video. If you absolutely do not mind commenting as well, I would greatly appreciate it as well. And so let's get started. So I've already opened it up. So I got the Urban Decay mascara. Now, you guys, I know you guys already know that I am a pharmacy influencer, but I do like to try other products as well. So that's why, like, I wouldn't say I like to review, but I guess that's what it is. I like to review stuff. So I did get the mascara, the Lash Freak mascara that came out, and I'm really excited. I have been really, oh my goodness. Is it supposed to be somewhat goopy like that? This is what it looks like. It smells funny. Huh. It is a very interesting wand. I don't know if most of you already know like what it's supposed to look like, but it has like the little spikes right here, and then this part right here is like pretty much flat, and then at the end of this it also has like spikes as well. I wonder, like half my mascara is like already gone, so let's give it a try. Ooh. And other than this eyeshadow palette I have, this is like, well, actually no, I have the Naked palettes, never mind. I was gonna say, I really don't have that many Urban Decay products. Doesn't seem too bad. I'll be taking this right off anyway. George is asleep, so I gotta kind of be quiet. Yeah. Another mascara open, another mascara to go through. Alright, so that is the only Urban Decay product that I had ordered for myself. And now I also have Urban Decay, or not Urban Decay, but an Ulta haul. There's like this thing that says attention customer received unsealed, which is really weird. I don't know what's going on. So I'm assuming my order was unsealed, or it wasn't sealed properly. And that's really weird about Ulta though too, because normally Ulta is not a huge problem, but this is like taped up to, it's like no one's business right now. It's a little insane. Like, it's literally like taped up. I hope that my products that I ordered is not ruined. I'm trying to be like as quiet as possible though too. Like, George is like back there sleeping. So I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. Alright, so I got some goodies in Ulta today, or not today, but got some goodies. So I accidentally ordered like 2 of these, so one's gonna, I'm not gonna keep both. But this is the Tula Skincare Get Toned Pro Glycolic 10% Resurfacing Toner. I got this during the 21-day sale thing through Ulta. This will be mine. So let's see. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It is a really cute packaging. I really like it. I've never tried the toner. Is it supposed to, what is this? Oh, there we go. Oops. Okay. It has like a silicone-y like feel. That's cool. I'm excited to try that. Okay. One thing down. Some more to go. Alright. Oh, so this is also the other thing that was on the 21 sale thing. I got the Social Superstar Crispy at Crispy. The Too Faced Better Than Sex. This is the limited edition. I've been wanting to try this mascara as well. Obviously, I'm not going to open it up. I have a lot of mascaras that has not been used, but this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. I actually really like this. I was going to get the original style one, but literally it was sold out. And this is the only one that was available. So, a mascara so amazing. It's better than sex. Your favorite social BFF at Crispy has dressed, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but has dressed up our iconic Better Than Sex mascara in stellar blue, a color inspired by her childhood nickname Blue Girl. So that's cool. I'm excited. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Alright, so this one is coming to America, Uoma. It's a palette. I ordered a couple of palettes through here. So, it has really cute packaging. Queen to be. It's a noun, a vision of perfection. Nice. So, I'm excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Kind of reminds me of like, what's it called? So it comes with a little mirror, and here is the color story. It is like nice bright colors. I've been trying to experiment on some of the like other colors and stuff. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know about that pink. That blue is pretty. Ooh, okay, so that's pretty. Okay, so that pink right there looked really patchy on my hand, on my finger, but as I swatched it, it's actually not that bad. So, oh my word, these are weird names. Am I supposed to like spell the names right? No, I guess it's okay. So like I don't know if you guys can see the names, but it is really weird. I want to look at this purple. This is what it looks like, and that looks, wow, It's a little chalky, but I mean, that's cool. I'm excited to try that. It's awesome. Let's see if I can find. Cool. I'm excited. So excited right now. Okay. Some clean my hand off. This one's good. Okay. Alright. My next thing. Ooh, this is the MAC Easy to Love Me lipstick ×3 kit. I don't own anything MAC, so I'm really excited to try it. So here are their like little bullets. So let's do some swatches. Ooh, okay, so look at this one. This one is really pretty. Okay, come on, I'm dry. Ooh, it smells good. So this is what this color looks like. This one is called Lassia's Fairy? I have no idea. I like that. I'm excited to try that. There's gonna be so many like try-ons this weekend. This one is Under the Covers. Oh, I like that color. That middle one. Oh my, I'm excited. So pumped. Okay, and here's this dark red. This is E for Effortless. Okay, so it's not that dark in my opinion, but I also don't wear a lot of red lips either. But it does seem to like glide on like really nicely. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really provide a whole heck of a lot of information, but they're still like really pretty like shades. Alright, so my next palette, it's the Nabla Secret palette. This actually was also in the 21-day sale as well. And look at that. Isn't that cute? I love that. It's so pretty. So it's like, okay, so it does have a mirror, and here are the shades. It does have like a pop of color, some neutrals, shimmers. It looks like a pressed glitter. I'm not a big fan of pressed glitters. Yeah, I'm really not a big fan of pressed glitters, but this is what it looks like. And it has like a dual chrome shift on there. It has like a, like it's hard to explain. I don't know. This looks really pretty. Oh my. So I've never tried this brand before. So here is this like, it's called Fantasize. It's a blue purple shade, and I'm actually really excited to try that. Big Experience. That's really pretty. Has a lot of pigment to it too. So I'm excited to try that one. I'm hoping I can do some try-ons this weekend, you guys. I do want to try out like some foundations. I want to try out like a whole bunch of stuff. Oops. Okay, so this is also new, the Hourglass Confession. It's a lipstick, and it's also red. So this is what it looks like. Really cute packaging. It looks like a pencil or one of those like, ooh man, look at that. It's so pretty. I'm excited to try that. But this is the Hourglass lipstick, and it has like a little bug on it. That's a cute touch. All right, I saved the best for the last because I'm really excited about it because purple's my favorite color. You guys, like seriously, purple is my favorite color. I'm super excited. This is the Uoma Trinidad eyelashes. You guys, look at these purple eyelashes. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped to try these out. Like seriously, pumped. I cannot wait. Alright, you guys, that is it for my Ulta/Urban Decay unboxing. If you guys have any questions on the products that I just shown you, please let me know. I might try to get to another box, probably my Lorella one, because it's just literally 2 items. I had to take out the other 2 because the other stuff because it was a gift it's a gift for somebody. So I can quickly show you guys those 2 if you'd like, but it's literally all that stuff. I'm overwhelmed. So I will talk to you guys later. Well, actually, I might do the Lorella box to show you guys what I got in that. I'm really excited, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.